Right, and I just want to show you a quick and an easy background technique. I'm just going to do it on a small piece of soup wood. I'm just going to lightly spray this, and this is just I think it's a South African brand, doily acrylic drawing ink, but you can also use I usually use Daily Brownie or Liquid X, but I just want to show you you can use this as well. I just want to get a brush. If it does this, your ink is a little bit too not enough. As I said, I usually use Daily Brownie, but I wanted to see if this doily would also give you the same effect. So if you do it on paper, you can dilute it a little bit. If you don't do it on paper or canvas, if you do it on canvas or on a soup wood board, then I think you must just put it down as is. So I just want to cover the board. And then you can take a normal cheap plastic doily, when you can buy it Pep Home or something, or even at home. Not at home, Mr. Price Home. So I've just got that there. And then I'm going to drop this doily on top. I'm going to let it dry, and then I'll come back and I'll show you how it looks when it's dried. Okay, I think I'm maybe a little bit too hasty to take this off. I just don't hope I am making a mistake, but I can't wait. So I'm just going to peel off my plastic doily. Keep it in place with your finger, so if it's still a lot wet, you can always just drop it down again. And you can see there is my print, and you can imagine it's still wet there, you can see, but I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm not going to touch it. I'm just going to leave it, let it dry. And remember, you can make it more colors underneath. I hope you can see this light area there, and then the darker areas inside. And you can just imagine if you use this as in an orange, or maybe in a for a tablecloth, or something in the background. The possibilities is endless, you know. You don't have to do your whole board with this or your whole canvas. You can just do a part, maybe just your foreground, or maybe some of your fruit, or even in a drapery, or in a, I mean, you can use it anywhere, everywhere. I mean, just for texture. But I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like and subscribe and hit that bell that you can get my future uploads. And if you want to ask me anything, feel free to ask me. I will come back to you in a day or two. And if you don't want to ask anything, just say hi, so that I know you are there and you enjoy my videos, and that keeps me going, and that makes me happy. Paint along with me. Put on your phone or your tablet or what you are busy with, pause it, rewind, forward, whatever you want to do. Paint along with me. I promise you, it's so nice and relaxing. And even if you feel it's not that what you wanted, just put a layer of PVA, white acrylic over it, do it again, and or paint over the whole thing and cover it up. I use always a wash in the background, so it won't bother me if it's a flop. I'll just paint over it and make something else with it, you know. Explore and just enjoy it. Have a lovely day and take care.